Hey there, fellow explorers of the digital world. Have you ever seen those mysterious keys at the top of your keyboard? You know, the ones labeled F1 through F12? They're not just for decoration. These are your function keys, and they're like secret shortcuts to becoming a computer whiz. Think about it. Wouldn't it be amazing to do things faster and easier on your computer? With function keys you can. We're going to unlock the secrets of these powerful keys together. Get ready to learn simple tricks that will save you time and impress your friends. Let's dive in. Let's start with F1, your trusty sidekick in the digital world. It's like having a helpful friend who's always got your back. Whenever you find yourself scratching your head wondering how something works, just press F1. See, F1 is your help key. Press it in almost any program, and voila! A window pops up with useful information about whatever you're working on. It's like magic, but even better, it's technology. So, next time you're feeling lost in a sea of menus or confused by a complicated feature, remember F1. It's your lifeline to understanding and mastering your computer. Next up is F2, your handy-dandy renaming tool. Imagine you have a folder full of files with names that make no sense. Instead of clicking through endless menus, just hit F2. Poof! You can now edit the file name directly. Change it to something clear and organized. F2 works like a charm in Windows Explorer for renaming files. But wait, there's more. F2 also loves spreadsheets. In programs like Microsoft Excel, selecting a cell and pressing F2 lets you edit the contents directly. No more double-clicking required. It's all about speed and efficiency. Ever feel like you're on a scavenger hunt when searching for files on your computer? F3 is here to be your trusty search companion. It's like having a bloodhound sense of smell, but for your digital documents. In Windows Explorer, just hit F3 and a search bar appears. Type in what you're looking for and boom, your computer will snip it out in no time. No more endless scrolling through folders. And guess what? F3 works in web browsers too. Press it while browsing the web, and you can quickly search for specific words or phrases on the current page. Section 5 F4, a shortcut for your shortcuts. F4 is a bit of a shapeshifter. Its powers depend on where you use it. This key is like a Swiss Army knife for your keyboard, offering different functionalities based on the context. Think of it as the chameleon of function keys. It adapts to your needs, whether you're browsing the web, working on a document, or managing your desktop. One of its coolest tricks is working with the address bar in your web browser. Imagine you're in a hurry and need to visit a website quickly. Pressing F4 after typing in a web address will automatically add www at the beginning and .com at the end. Talk about saving keystrokes. This little trick can save you precious seconds, especially if you're someone who frequently visits websites. But here's another trick up F4's sleeve. It's not just about web browsing. When combined with the Alt key, it becomes the ultimate escape button. This combination is a lifesaver when you need to quickly close an application or window. Pressing Alt plus F4 instantly closes the active window or application. It's like having a magic wand to make things disappear. It's like saying see you later to whatever you're working on. Whether you're done for the day or just need a quick break, Alt plus F4 has got your back. So next time you find yourself needing a shortcut for your shortcuts, remember the versatile F4 key. Section 6 F5, refresh and restart. F5, the refresh button. This key is like a splash of cold water on your computer screen, waking everything up and making it feel brand new. When you're browsing the web and a page isn't loading properly, just hit F5. It's like telling your browser, hey, try that again, and often solves the problem instantly. F5 also comes in handy when you're giving presentations. In PowerPoint, pressing F5 starts your slideshow from the beginning so you can wow your audience with your amazing slides. Section 7 F6 and F7, navigate and spell check like a pro. F6 and F7 are like dynamic duos, each with their own special talents for making your digital life smoother. These keys are often overlooked, but once you get the hang of them, they can significantly boost your productivity. F6 is all about navigation. It's your go-to key for moving around your computer without lifting your hands off the keyboard. It lets you quickly jump between different areas of a window or application. Imagine you're working on a project and need to switch between multiple tabs and windows. F6 makes this seamless, saving you precious seconds. For example, in a web browser, F6 can zip you between the address bar, the search bar, and the web page itself. No more fumbling with the mouse or trackpad, just a quick press and you're where you need to be. F7, on the other hand, is a stickler for good grammar and spelling. It's your personal editor, always ready to catch those little mistakes that can make a big difference. In many word processors, pressing F7 will activate the spell check feature, helping you catch those pesky typos and grammatical errors before anyone else sees them. Whether you're drafting an important email, writing a report, or working on a novel, F7 ensures your text is polished and professional. So, next time you're at your computer, give F6 and F7 a try. These keys might just become your new best friends, making your digital tasks easier and more efficient. Happy navigating and spell checking. Section 8 F8, Safe Mode Savior. Now, F8 is a bit more of a specialized key, but it can be a lifesaver when your computer is feeling under the weather. You see, sometimes computers get sick too. They might catch a virus or have a software meltdown. This is where F8 comes in. If you repeatedly press F8 while your computer is booting up, you'll enter safe mode. This is like a bare-bones version of Windows that can help you diagnose and fix problems. Think of F8 as your computer's emergency button. It's there to help you get things back on track when something goes wrong. Section 9 F9 and F10, Refresh Sync and Open Menus. These keys might seem insignificant, but they hold powerful functionalities that can enhance your productivity. F9 and F10 might seem a little mysterious at first, but they have their own unique superpowers too. Understanding these keys can make your computing experience smoother and more efficient. F9 is like a refresh button for specific programs. It's not just a simple refresh, it can update and synchronize data within applications. For instance, in Microsoft Word, pressing F9 can update fields and links in your document. This is particularly useful when working with dynamic data such as dates or references, ensuring your document is always up to date. And in some email programs like Outlook, F9 can manually send and receive messages. This can be a lifesaver when you need to ensure your inbox is current without waiting for the automatic sync. F10, on the other hand, is all about menus. It's a gateway to accessing the full range of features within a program. Pressing F10 activates the menu bar in many programs, allowing you to navigate through options using your arrow keys. This can be incredibly handy when you prefer keyboard shortcuts over using a mouse. It's like having a shortcut to all the commands and features hidden within a program. Mastering these keys can significantly speed up your workflow, making you more efficient and effective in your tasks. So, next time you're working on a complex project, remember the power of F9 and F10. They can help you refresh, sync, and navigate through your tasks with ease. Embrace these keys and you'll find yourself working smarter, not harder. Happy computing. Section 10 F11, Full Screen Focus. Want to feel like you've stepped into your computer screen? F11 is your ticket to full screen immersion. In web browsers, hitting F11 makes the web page take up your entire screen, hiding all the toolbars and menus. It's perfect for watching videos, playing games, or just focusing on reading without distractions. And F11's powers don't stop there. Many other applications like video players and image viewers also use F11 to toggle full screen mode. Section 11 F12, Save As and Developer Tools. Last but not least, we have F12, the multi-talented key with a knack for saving and debugging. In Microsoft Office programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, pressing F12 opens the Save As dialog box. This allows you to save your file with a different name, location, or file format. But F12 also has a secret identity: web developer extraordinaire. In web browsers, pressing F12 opens up the Developer Tools panel. This powerful set of tools lets you peek behind the curtain of websites, inspect code, and even make changes to see how they would look. Section 12. Conclusion: master your keyboard, master your day. Congratulations, you've unlocked the secrets of the function keys. From F1 to F12, you now have a whole arsenal of shortcuts at your fingertips, ready to boost your productivity and make your digital life a breeze. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try incorporating these shortcuts into your daily routine, and soon you'll be navigating your computer like a pro. And hey, why not share your newfound knowledge with your friends and family? Spread the function key love. Now go forth and conquer the digital world, one function key at a time.